Hi everyone. Today we're having a look at superlatives. So superlatives are when we compare two or more people or things, and then we want to say that one of them has the most of one feature. Okay. So for example, we've got these three ladies here. Okay. So you can see here that Sally is quite tall, okay, but these guys aren't that tall. So we can say she is the tallest, okay? And if I say tallest, I know out of the group of people here that she's the one that is the most tall or the tallest, okay? If you have a look over here, you can see Mildred over here. She's got the glasses and the grey hair. She's pretty old, I think, maybe like in her 70s maybe. And she's got a walking stick as well. So I think we could safely say that she is the oldest, okay? Because she's definitely older than Sally and Tracy. So we could say Mildred is the oldest. And then also, if we have a look over here, we can see Tracy, okay? I think she's definitely younger than Mildred, definitely. And I think she's probably younger than Sally. So maybe we could say she is the youngest, okay? So we use the superlative to say that one person or one thing in a group has the most of a particular feature. So Mildred's the oldest, Sally's the tallest, and Tracy is the youngest. Okay, beautiful. All right, so let's have a look. So here we've got some comparative. So here we've got some comparative sentences. So comparative is when we're comparing two. Okay, so we could say Sally is taller than Tracy. Tracy is taller than Mildred. See, I'm only comparing two. Okay, and then I could say Mildred is older than Sally. So you can see I'm comparing two. Superlative sentence, Sally is the tallest. Okay, Mildred is the oldest and Tracy is the youngest. Okay, so if we just have a look here, we use the superlative when we are comparing more than two things or people. The superlative shows us the person or thing that has the most of a feature. Tallest, longest, most beautiful, most expensive, and cheapest. Okay, so that's how we use the superlative. Now, for changing an adjective into a superlative, the rules are the same that we used for the comparative, okay? So, EST. EST we use for one-syllable adjectives or adverbs. So we'd say largest, because large is one syllable, so we go largest. High is one syllable, so we say highest. Fast is one syllable, so we'd say fastest. Cold is one syllable, so we'd say coldest. And harsh is one syllable, so we'd say harshest. Okay, also the same for oldest, tallest, and youngest, because they are all one syllable words. All right, so for two-syllable adjectives or adverbs that end with Y, we also use EST. So for example, easy, we'd say easiest. Easy is two syllables, but it ends with Y. Friendly, two syllables, but it ends with Y, so we say friendliest. Early, two syllables, but it ends with Y, so we say earliest. All right, so number 2 is most. So adjectives or adverbs that are two syllables or more. So for example, humid. Humid is two syllables, so we have to use most. Conservative is four syllables. Conservative, 4 syllables, so we have to use most. And expensive is 3 syllables, so we need to say most expensive. And we also use most with adverbs that end with ly, so we'd say slowly, most slowly. Quickly is an adverb and it ends with ly, so we say most quickly. And also carefully is an adverb that ends with ly, so we'd say most carefully. All right, so exceptions. we can use either est or most with these adjectives and adverbs. So clever, I can say most clever, or I can say cleverest. Noisy, I can say most noisy, or I can say noisiest. Simple, I can say simplest, or I can say most simple. And quiet, I can say quietest or most quiet. Both of them are okay. Alright, and then like the comparative, we also have irregular adjectives and adverbs. So bad or badly, we change to worst. Good or well, we change to best. And far, we change to furthest. Alright guys, so that's what we need to know for the superlative. So if you go and do your practice activities, and I will check with you later. Bye.